Good morning.
Good morning.
How you guys doing?
Good.
Guys, this morning we're going to get to work on our trick words today. Melody, do we know what trick words are? What are our trick words?
Our rule breakers.
Oh, yes, those are our rule breakers. Everybody say rule breakers.
Rule breakers.
Okay.
Trick words don't follow the regular phonics rules. You might also hear them referred to as heart words, red words, or irregular words. Watch as reading coach Colese Brown guides a small group of kindergartners through a review of some of these tricky terms.
So I'm going to go over some trick words that you guys should already know, and then we're going to get to look at some new ones today. Cool beans?
Cool beans.
Okay, here we go.
Two.
What's the word?
Two.
What's the word?
Two.
Let's spell it. T-O-2. Again.
T-O-2.
Thank you. How would we use the word to? Ooh, Melody.
We got, if you said how do you use the word to, probably in a sentence.
Ooh, could you give me a sentence with to?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you go to the shop?
Ooh, can you go to the shop?
Practicing trick words like to and do in sentences helps students remember both what they mean and how to use them correctly.
What's the word?
Do.
My turn. D-O, do. Your turn.
D-O-do.
Here's another one. Ready?
My.
Oh, my. My turn. M-Y, my. Your turn.
My.
Noah, do you think you can use this word in a sentence?
Yeah. My favorite is the ice cream.
Oh, so your favorite is ice cream?
Yeah.
Ah, gotcha. I'm sharing a connection, friend. Carter, use my in a sentence.
My mom is great.
Ooh, my mom is great. When you use the word my, what are you talking about? You're talking about something that belongs.
To me.
You're talking about something that belongs to you. Next word, are you ready?
Was.
Ooh, yes, this is the word was. What's the word?
Was.
What's the word?
Was.
Let's spell it. W-A-S. Was. My turn. W-A-S. Was. Your turn.
W-A-S. Was.
Okay. The rule that they broke
What's the A rule?
was, well, what is A supposed to say?
Ah.
Why? Because look, this gate is closed. So A, when the gate is closed, it's supposed to say ah. Is A saying ah in this word? No, it's making a completely different sound. So that's why this is a rule breaker. Okay? Okay.
Even though the word or is spelled in a predictable way with an R-controlled vowel, it's still a trick word for these students because they won't learn about R-controlled vowels for a while.
I'm going to spell the word or. It's O-R, or. I want you to try it. You spell it. O-R, or. Oh, now, this is another one of our rule breakers. So we're going to have to keep the word or in our heart. That means that we're just going to have to know it, okay?
Reading Universe is made possible by generous support from Jim and Donna Barksdale, the Hastings Quillen Fund, an advised fund of the Silicon Valley Community Foundation, the AFT, the Emily Hall Tremaine Foundation, and anonymous donors. Special thanks to Hope Hill Elementary, Reading is Essential for All People, and Atlanta Public Schools. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at RU Teaching. Reading Universe is a service of WETA Washington, D.C., the Barksdale Reading Institute, and First Book.
My name is Colese Brown, and this is Reading Universe.